Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the TuffKnives Geoff Blauvelt Custom Mini Nakiri knife. This is an interesting shape. I feel like I pull a lot of TuffKnives, and I say that pretty much about every single one of them because they're all just so unique, and you know, they really kind of make a statement. They're pretty cool. So this one is 6.75 inches in overall length, blade length of 3 inches, and it is Nitro-V for the steel. And this is a frame lock. Forgot to mention that. Frame lock flipper. And the handles are 3.625 inches in length. You've got green G10 up here on the bolster, and this is a tan micarta back towards the back. And backspacer is also the tan micarta, as well as the pivot collar. So really intricate machining on the handle. It looks really cool. And you do have titanium frame liner, or excuse me, frame for the lock side. And there's a pocket clip for tip up right-handed carry only. And it weighs 3.94 ounces. And here is a tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it. Guys, go ahead and check this knife out at bladehq.com. This is the TuffKnives Custom Mini Nakiri by Geoff Blauvelt.